So what will happen here? First of all, we will see here Tn is equal to Tn by 2 plus n. Now I want to calculate the Tn by 2. So Tn by 2, that means I have to substitute this n by n by 2. That means I have to substitute this n by n by 2. So I am writing here Tn by 2, and here what will happen if instead of n I will write n by 2, then it will become n by 2 square. That means n by 4, and it will plus n by 2, it will become n by 2, because every places n I am substituting with n by 2. So instead of n I have to write n by 2. So it will come, so Tn by 2 is equal to Tn by 2 square plus n by 2. So this I have written over here. So this I have already written here. Tn by 2 is equal to Tn by 2 square plus Tn plus n by 2. Now I got this equation Tn is equal to Tn by 2 plus n. Now I have to substitute, instead of this Tn by 2, I have to substitute this value, because I have already find out Tn by 2 is equal to Tn by 2 square plus n by 2. So this Tn by 2 square plus n by 2, instead of Tn by 2, I have to substitute this value. Then I have written here Tn by 2 square plus n by 2, and plus n is already here. So plus n I will write again here. Now what will happen next time? Now I got Tn by 2 square. So now in next case, what I have to do? I have to find out Tn by 2 square. So how to find out Tn by 2 square? I will, so how to find out, Tn by square? That means Tn by 2 I already find out Tn by 2 by substituting n by 2 instead of n. So Tn by 2 is equal to Tn by 2 square by plus n by 2. So Tn by 2 square plus n by 2. And I have substituted this value also in this equation. Tn by 2 plus n was there. So you can see here there was Tn by 2 plus n, Tn by 2 plus n in the real equation. Now I have substituted this, instead of this Tn by 2, I have written Tn by 2 square plus n by 2. So this I have substituted for this Tn by 2, and plus n is same as it is. Now what I've got Tn by 2 square, so I have to find out Tn by 2 square also. So how to find out Tn by 2 square? So I will replace this n by 2 square. So I have written here uh, Tn by 2 square. So here it will become Tn by 2 cube. Here it will become n by 2 square. So here I got instead of so what value I got here? I got value here for Tn. Okay, for this Tn, what value I got? I got value for Tn by 2 square I got. So I want to find out the value of Tn by 2 square. So I have kept in this equation, instead of substituted n with n by 2 square. So I got here n by 2 square. That means it is 4. Now instead of this n, I will substitute n by 2 square. So it will become n by 2 cube. That means n by 8. T n by 8. Now again in this, instead of this n, I will put n by 2 square. So here again plus n by 2 square, that means 4. Now you can see here, what I will do, instead of this n by 2 square, that means 2 Tn by 4. I have already calculated Tn by 4. So now I will substitute, instead of this value, I will substitute this value. So same thing I have done over here. So same thing I have done over here. This instead of this Tn by 2 square, I have substituted Tn by 2 cube. That means Tn by 8 plus Tn by 2 square. That means n by 4. So this value I have, this Tn by 2 square value I have substituted in this equation as Tn by 2 cube plus n by 2 square. So instead of this, I have substituted n by 2 cube plus n by 2 square, and remaining value I have written same as it is. Now you can see in this equation, That means next what will happen here, I got n by 2 0, n by 2 1, n by 2 square, n by 2 cube, n by next term I will get n by 2 4. So how much time it will repeat it? It will repeat it to 2k term. That means k term it will be repeated 0 1 2 3 4. How many iteration I have to do? I have to do kth iteration. That means n by 2k. I will get there. I will reach sometime the place where I will get the value n by 2k. That means how many iteration I have to perform? I have to perform kth iteration. So I have written here n by 2k, and remaining value I have kept same n by 2 cube, n by 2 square, n by 2, n by 2 0. So now what will happen? 2 0 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 last में 2k. Now what will happen? I to whatever inside t I want to make it as 1. So how I can make this value as 1? Because n by 2k is equal to 1 I want to make. So n is equal to 2k. So n is equal to 2k. Now what will happen? This value I have kept 1. If n is equal to 2k, then it is 1. So t1 and n I have taken in common. Now what is remaining in this equation? T0, T1, T2, Tk, 2k minus 1. So 20 T1, 21, 22, 2 raised to k minus 1, 2 raised to k. So this will be remaining in this equation. Now what is happening? What is R here? Now it came in GP format, geometric progression format. So I want to calculate the summation of this series. Now how to calculate that? Now what I will do here, I will find out R. So what is R over here? 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 1 divided by 1 by 2 0, so it will be remaining 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square divided by 1 by 2, so remaining will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2 cube will be divided by 1 by 2 square, so remaining will be 1 by 2. So what is our common? R is equal to 1 by 2. So I have kept in this equation a 1 minus rk, 1 minus r. So r value I got 1 by 2, so I have kept in this equation in GP equation. So 1 plus n was common, 1 minus rk, 1 minus 1 by 2. So here I will see, now I have calculated it. So what will happen? 1 minus 1 by 2k, and here 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Now I have already calculated 2k is equal to n. That value I have already calculated before. That is n is equal to 2k. I have already calculated n is equal to 2k. So instead of this 2k, so I got here 2k. So I got here 2k. So instead of this 2k, I will keep n, and 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 by n. And here 1 by 2 I got, 1 by 2 is a constant, so I can neglect that constant. And next thing remaining is 1 plus n, 1 minus 1 by n. Now I will open this bracket, so it will become 1 plus n minus n by n. So n से कट जाएगा 1. So 1 plus n minus 1. So I can write here 1 plus n, because minus देखो it will become
सर ये
1.
सम
हाँ, ये तो समझ में आ
ये
जाएगा ना. You can solve this.
1 प्लस n वाला सर बताइए.
ये वाला, this one you want
यस
to
सर.
know. You don't know mathematics, simple mathematics. 1 plus n, n common आ गया, मतलब n, I have opened this bracket, it will become n minus n by n. So n by n से कट जाएगा, it will become n minus 1. So it will become n minus 1. और 1 यहाँ पे है, तो 1 और minus 1 कट जाएगा. Now remaining is n, so now complexity is n. कोई दिक्कत है इसमें?
नो सर.
Because dominating term is n is a bigger term. So dominating term is n, so our complexity is O(n). Now simply you can see this one also. Now I am saying that suppose ये हल्का फुल्का देख लो, सेम एज इट इज है, ठीक है. नाउ Now you can see here, this is n by 2. This is n by 2. Tn is equal to 2t n by 2 plus n. So instead of this n, means I want to find out 2 n by 2. So how to find out n by 2? Instead of n, I will replace n by 2. So here I have done t n by 2. Tn by 2. Now what will happen here is equal to what it will become 2t n by 2 square, that is n by 4. Now instead of n I am writing n by 2, so tn by 2 is equal to 2t n by 4 plus n by 2 plus n by 2. Now I got this value. Now I want to find out next equation. I got n by 4, so I want to find out the value of n by 4 also. So I have written here t n by 4. That means I want to replace n with n by 4. So I have ai n by 2 square. So t n by 4. So it will become 2t n by
8.
8 plus n by 4.
n by 4.
Next it will become n by 4. Now I am saying that I got this value. Now what I want to do, this is my equation, Tn is equal to 2Tn by 2 plus n. So this is my equation, given equation. Now I want to substitute, instead of this Tn by 2, I want to substitute this value. So 2 came in common, and now I want to substitute this value for Tn by 2. I have written this value 2Tn by 2 square plus n by 2. 2Tn by 2 square plus n by 2 instead of this Tn by 2, and plus n is written same as it is. Now again I got here n by 2 square. Now I will open the bracket. Now what will happen? It will become 2 square t n by 2 square and plus 2. Here you can see this 2 से 2 ये वाला कट जाएगा. So remaining n plus n plus n. So again it became 2n.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. हाँ. Now what will happen? We will now I want to substitute this value for n by 2 square. I already calculated the value for n by 2 square. That is Tn by 4. I have already calculated the value of n by 2 square. So here what will happen? I will keep this value 2t n by 8. That is 2t n by 2 cube plus n by 2 squared. So for this n by 2 square, I have kept this value. So for this n by 2 square, I kept this value, and plus 2n to same ही है. Now again I open this bracket. Now what will happen? 2 cube t और यहाँ पे n by 2 cube plus 2 square से कट जाएगा. Remaining is n और plus 2n is equal to 3n. So it will become 3n. Now you can see it is repeated k time. That means 2kt n by 2k. That means in previously you can see here it was 2 square t n by 2 square plus 2n. Previously you can see it was 2 n by 2 plus n. That means here one is
The power remains same, sir.
here you see 2 raised to 1, here is 2 raised to 2, and here is n by 2, here is n by 2 square, here is 1n, here is 2n. So in the similar case, here is 2 square, here is 2 cube, here is n by 2 square, here is n by 2 cube, and here is 2n, here is 3n. So we can say this is iterative value. That means 2kt n by 2k. That means this I am replacing with k. 2k, in every equation we can see one change was there. So 2kt is n by 2k plus kn. So this I got an equation. Now what I want to do, n by 2k, I want to make it as 1 because t1 I want to create. So now n by 2k is equal to 1. That means n is equal to 2k. Now what will happen? I want to find out the value of k. Now I want to find out the value of k. तो k की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, k if we want to something is given n is equal to 2 raised to k, then k value will be log 2n. If it will be 3k, then k value will be log 3n. So k value is log 2n. Now I replace this 2k की जगह n, I have already calculated 2k is equal to n. So I want to represent the equation in the form of n. So instead of this 2k, I have written n, and instead of this 2k, I have written n, and instead of k, I already find out the value of log 2n. So I have written here log 2n into n is there, so n. Now what will happen? N से कट जाएगा, it will become 1, and t1 value is our base equation, that is 1. So n into 1 plus n into log 2n. So here you can see n is much smaller than n log 2n. So greater value, dominating value is n log 2n. So we will find the we will place this value. This is our complexity. So in the similar case, you can solve this equation also. ठीक है, similar way you can solve this equation also. So you can solve all the equation according to this. Now I am saying that हाँ, today I have to teach actually recursive tree method. So recursive tree method, you can see it is given to a tn is equal to 2t n by 2 plus n, 2t n by 2 plus n. So in we have already solved the equation by using substitution method. Now we are learning to solve the equation by using recursive tree method. So in recursive tree method, you can find out that suppose equation is given to a tn is equal to 2t n by 2 plus n. There is recursive equation given to us. Now we want to find out the complexity. So it is actually total amount of work done, that is n. N is total amount of work done, and that work is broken into two parts. That is that total amount of work done is n, and that work done is broken into two parts, and each part contain n by 2 elements. So here you can see total burden n, and that is broken into two parts, and total element in each part is n by 2. So here you can see it is n, and that is divided into two part, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 के दो part. So multiply n with 1 by 2, so n by 2, and here also n by 2. Now again we can see this n by 2 is broken into two parts. So into 1 by 2, so it will become n by 2 square. And again another part is also broken into 1 by 2. So into 1 by 2 n by 2 square. This also broken into two parts, into multiply with 1 by 2. Now this is also broken into two parts, so multiply with 1 by 2. Clear hai? That means it is showing that total burden n, and two part it is being broken, and that each part contain n by 2 elements. So 1 by 2 1 by 2 multiply, 1 by 2 1 by 2 multiply, 1 by दो part में break हुआ, and multiply with 1 by 2. So similar case, now we have reached n by 2 cube, n by 2 cube, n by 2 cube. Now here we will see, suppose where we want to end our recursion, we want to end it when at kth iteration. That means you can see here it was 2, it was 2 square, and here it was 2 cube. That means now next will be, at last it will be n by 2k. That means n by 2 cube is here. Next will come n by 2 4. Next will come n by 2 5. So in the similar way, it will break when we get the n by 2k. So I am supposing that kth number of iteration we are doing n by 2k. Now what will happen? And we want to keep this at last we want to make it as 1. At last we want to make it as 1. So what n by 2k I want to make it as 1. So n by 2k is equal to 1. So n is equal to 2k. Now we can find out k is equal to log 2n. K is equal to log 2n. K is equal to log 2n. If n is equal to 2k, then k is equal to log 2n. Now we got the value log 2n. Now what will happen? You can see over here total burden n, here n by 2 plus n by 2 is equal to 2n by 2, and 2 से 2 कट गया, then remaining is n. Here also 1 2 3 4, 4n by 2 square, so 4n by 2 square is 4, 4n by 4, 4 4 से कट गया n. Now here you can see 2n by 2 cube, so here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 9 by 2 cube, so 2 cube 8 कट गया, remaining is 9. Now you can see at each level work done is n, at each level work done is n, n इस पे हुआ, ये 2n by 2 हुआ, 2 से 2 कट गया, n बचा, remaining n. तो सभी में remaining n है, सबको मतलब ऐड करना है, we have to add all the this level we have to add, this level we have to add, this level we have to add. So we will get the work done at each level. Now you are seeing at each level work done is n, n is level पे, n is level पे, n is level पे. Now we have already find out how many iteration we have to do. We have already find out n by 2k is equal to 1, n is equal to 2k, k is equal to log 2n. So we have already find out how many iterations are there, yeah, how many levels are there, kth number of levels are there. Yeah, how many iterations are there, we have to do the kth number of iteration, and kth value I have already find out log 2n. Kth value I have already find out log 2n. So now here you can see how many levels are there. There are total log 2n levels. That means how many iterations are there. There are total 2 n by 2 0, n by 2 1, n by 2 square, n by 2 cube, ऐसे ही n by 2k. So how many iterations are there? There are total kth number of iterations. That is height of the tree is log 2n. Height of the tree is log 2n. Now I have seen here at each level n number of work done, and total number of level are log 2n. So how many total work done is n into, मतलब in each level n equal amount of work get done, n, and there are total height of the tree is log 2n. So we will multiply it, so we will get total work done, that is n into log 2n. So we have multiplied it n into height of the tree. At each level we are getting n as a work done, and log 2n is height of the tree, so we have multiplied it, and this is the complexity for this equation. So similar formulas are given here. You can check out that log 2 n raised to m. So we can say that it is m log 2n. M will come forward. So we can say that it is m log 2n. Next log CAB. So we can also say log CA, log CB. Log C 1 by A. So A will come up and it will convert into minus. So minus will go forward. Minus 1 will go forward. So it will come minus log CA. So in the similar way, you can see here some formulas are already given for log. Now next question. Next question you can see here. This equation is given to us. Tn is equal to Tn by 3 plus T 2n by 3 plus n. Now I am saying that n number of n. Now time is going to over. Do it first. ठीक है. First of all, I am going to take the attendance. Or you can see this. See, I'm saying that it is total number of burden n, and it is divided into two parts. That is n by 3, and second part is 2n by 3. ठीक है. Tomorrow I will continue this. हाँ, hello.
Yes, sir.